Additive persistent, have the function additive persistent, take a number parameter being passed which will always be a positive integer and return its additive persistent, which is the number of times you must add the digit in number until you reach a single digit. For example, if num is 2718, then your program should return 2 because 18 and you stop at 9. So what it basically is saying that you are going to add things up until it reaches a single digit and just return the number of steps it takes you to reach that single digit. So in this case, it is 2. 2718, we add them, we get 18. And then 18, if we add that, we get 9. This is a single digit and it has taken us 2 steps to solve this. Let's look at another example. 19, 1 and 9, we get 10. And then 10, 1 plus 0, we get 1. So it is only taking us 2 steps. So this is what we have to return. To solve this, we just have to iterate through a loop. We are going to use a while loop, and the loop is going to continue as long as the number does not reach single digit. So let's start. Let count is equal to 0. This is the count that what will return count will return this count. So while the number is not greater than while the number is greater than and equal to 10, that means double digit, uh, iterate this loop. Now we are going to convert this number to a string. Why string? Convert to a string so that we can use the split method, and we can only use that split method um, uh, string so that we can use the reduce method. And this reduce method, this just add things up. If we look at here, we can see that array dot prototype reduce method, it just adds everything in an array. So, and it is a method of array. So we need to convert this to a array. So to convert this to an array, we are going to convert it to a string first, and then we are going to split it. And split this method gives us the result in an array. And when we get that array, we can use the reduce method. So we are going to convert now that is string. Num string is going to be num dot to string. Then we are going to take the number is going to be num string dot split. Now we have converted that to an array, and now we can use the reduce. Reduce, reduce. The first parameter is accumulator, and the second one is going to be the digit or the number. I'm going to add the accumulator with the digit, but first I have converted that to a string, and now I need to convert back to integer digit, and the initial value is going to be 0. Now if I console log the num, I can see in the first iteration it is giving me a 1, in the second iteration it is giving me 1. So that is a single digit. If I take 2718, it is giving me in the first iteration 18, in the second iteration 9, which is a single digit. Now I need to, after each iteration, I need to increase the count so that I can see how many steps it has taken me to reach that single digit. Now if I run this test, It has passed the test. Now I'm going to submit it.